find that your head feels too busy, let's use the strap and do some yoga so you can bring your attention away from the head and focus on how your body is feeling and where. And also slowing down our breath to calm down our nervous system in and out from your nose. So if you have a belt like this, yoga belt, that's great. If not, don't worry, any belt would be fine. Something that is not stretchy and something that has the length enough to wrap around just above your knee and keep it tight. So let's keep the feet square, hip distance apart, and start to wrap the strap around just above your knee and have the strap tight. When your knee is pressing out, your knees will stay hip distance apart, your strap will stay there and stay tight. So adjust the length and see how it feels. You can always change it whenever you want. If you're ready, start to straighten the leg, arms lift up, whole body stretch, and exhale, bend your knees, fall from the hip. Let's sweep your arm back and squeeze the shoulder blades closer to lower the shoulders. Inhale to lift up, stretch away. Exhale, navel towards the spine, keeping your back nice and long to the chair. Inhale to lift, and exhale, sinking down and back through the hip. And let's stay here, only the arms gonna come up, breathing in. Exhale, draw the shoulders away from the ears so they don't tense up. Keeping your navel towards the spine and wiggle the hip back so your knees are more or less in line with your ankles. Now I'm going to keep the strap there, your knees facing forward, hip distance apart. We're going to add that twist. Exhale, sweeping one arm back. You could look back to challenge the balance, work the muscle around your eyes. Inhale to come back to the center. Or you can look in towards the front or to the side if you feel it feels better for your neck. One more each side, keeping your knees level, hip facing forward, because one knee tends to pop forward. So try to have the knee in the same place. We're going to lower the hands, the hip, relax the shoulders. And let's bend a lot in the knee, lower your tummy on your side. Let your head, shoulder loose. Hands the elbow to let your back stretch out using your weight to the head. Arms, upper body. While we stretch the hamstring too. Start to come up halfway, sliding your hands atop the shin. Exhale, reach back, open the shoulder by rolling out. Inhale to stand all the way, straighten the leg. And then exhale, lower your arms the size of the body. Start to lift your heels off with the breath in. Stretch up. And then exhale, lower your heels. So we can work the ankles, challenge the balance. And let's stay for longer, lifting even higher. And start to lower your heels. We're going to interlace a finger behind you. Roll the shoulder out. Fist towards the floor to stretch more in the neck and the shoulder. You can tuck the chin. Semicircle on the bottom, half the circle. To stretch around the neck and the shoulder. Now lift your head up, release your fingers. And start to stretch away, breathing in. Exhale, bend your knees, hip back to the chair pose like we were earlier. But we're going to be changing slightly, lifting your arms up with a breath in. Exhale, lift your heels off as you sweep your arm back. And lower your heels back to the chair. So you're still having the strap around your leg. So you be feeling in the leg, I'm sure, because I am. Try to keep the balance nice and slow. And let's stay lifting with your heels off. Arms come up with a breath in. Exhale, shoulders away. Try to soften the face and the shoulder. Now taking the twist. Exhale, one way. Inhale, back to the center. Still trying to stay on the tiptoe as much as you can. And try to keep your knees level One more each side. Nice slow breath to help with your balance. Once you're all the way, let's stay on the toe tips to stand all the way up. Then lower your heels. You can shake your arms. You can lose your strap now and shake your legs away. Thank you.